In 2025, tensions remain high between India and Pakistan. But the question still echoes across borders, stadiums, and screens. Can there still be peace? India's answer is yes, but not at the cost of national security. 1. Peace with strength, India's new doctrine. India has made its position crystal clear in 2025. Terror and talks cannot go hand in hand. This was reiterated in official statements by India's External Affairs Minister and Defence Ministry earlier this year, 2025, after renewed ceasefire violations and attempted infiltrations across the LOC. India's leadership has confirmed that any terror activity emanating from Pakistani soil will invite direct accountability and consequences. This policy reflects a shift. Dialogue will only happen when trust is restored, not under threat. Pro-India point. India wants peace, but not peace built on false promises. Pakistan must ensure no terror from its soil. India Today, February 2025. 2. Youth on both sides want peace, but the ground must be ready despite tensions. Young people in both India and Pakistan are tired of conflict. Indian youth polls, 2024 CSDS, show 78% prefer economic growth and regional cooperation over military escalation. Social media influencers, students, and artists across borders often call for unity, not war. Yet, Indian youth are firm. Peace must not mean ignoring terrorism. Pro-India point. India's youth are progressive, but not naive. 3. Cricket diplomacy, a symbol, not a solution. The 2024 Asia Cup and World Cup matches brought hope, but India has declined bilateral cricket ties until terrorism ends. BCCI echoed India's national security line. No cricket until there's zero terror. Pro-India point. India is open to cultural diplomacy, but not under threat. 4. The unfinished chapter, Pakistan occupied Kashmir, POK. In 2025, India has increased international outreach to highlight Pakistan's illegal occupation of POK. India raised the issue at the UN and G20 forums, calling for global acknowledgement of long-standing human rights violations in POK. Developmental work in J&K and Ladakh post-Article 370 has strengthened India's claim with visible ground realities, from infrastructure to education. India's parliament has reasserted that POK is a part of India, and peace is incomplete without its rightful return. Pro-India point. India has a legal and moral claim to POK, and now a strategic one too. 5. India's peace-building efforts despite provocations. India continues to support people-to-people initiatives. Kartarpur corridor remains open. Cultural summits in UAE and Singapore involving South Asian voices. SAARC climate and education talks, with conditional invites to Pakistan. Pro-India point. India is committed to regional cooperation, but with clarity, not compromise. Conclusion. Peace is possible, but on India's terms. India has drawn a line in 2025. Terrorism will not be tolerated. POK will not be forgotten. And peace will not be faked. But when the other side is ready, genuinely, transparently, and peacefully, India will be the first to extend its hand.